received all the food recipes. Okay, I'm gonna make pancakes, hot dogs, grilled potatoes and French toast. So, but for that we need ingredients. Alright, so I found people to cook up a beautiful camping meal. So yeah, let's do this. I'm here at Camping de Schotsman and I am invited here to cook together with Connie and Andy. And yeah, so we are gonna make pancakes and wintelteefjes, which is actually French toast. First the pancakes, and for that I need to put the eggs and the milk in the flour. So we're gonna do just that.
All together at the same time, yes.
Oh my god.
En die wil jij me even vasthouden.
Like this? Wow.
Zelf wil je maar. Ik doe altijd gewoon, ik laat hem heel en ik rol hem op en dan...
Pannenkoeken durum. Voilà.
Ja joh. Mooi. Heb ik hem op een laagje.
Okay, so we made the pancakes and now we're gonna make some French toast. Right? Right?
Right.
Right. Need bread, eggs, salt, pepper, and then you kind of work all that on the bread and put it on here. And chaka.